do you think?
It's holding the hoods. It's her ears.
Yeah, she has 2 ears.
What's her eyes? What are her hands?
She has little hands, huh?
Hoods have fingers. And fingers.
She knows everything, huh?
You're being so gentle. Good girl, honey. You're being so good. What a big girl.
Oh, I have a bow.
Yeah, you got a bow too, huh?
I have a bow. I have a pink bow.
Yeah, what color what disc do you have?
A black bow.
What color?
Yeah, brown.
Brown.
Oh, a brown one.
My whole
You are, you're holding her. It's pretty special, huh?
I have a dress.
She's so soft too at her touch. I'm really surprised.
Her hand looks so big, like compared to her hand.
Oh, she's giving you another hug.
Yeah, she's moving, huh?
She's holding in the hut. Why did her forehead right there?
Yeah, that's her forehead right there. Do you like holding her?
Yeah. I like the home.
You like what?
I like going home.
You like going home?
Yeah.
What is that home?